there's no denying that a blush, highlight and contouring together and individually calls for a fair bit of confusion. Hi guys, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be showing you how and where exactly you should be applying your contour, highlight and blush, and this is also going to be your go-to guide when it comes to contouring. But before we go ahead, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the BeBeautiful channel and do hit the bell icon so that you know every single time a new video goes live. The first of the 3 steps is contouring. Now, contouring is a makeup technique that is used to define, enhance and sculpt the structure of your face. Always remember that for the best results, make sure you've really prepped your skin well with a good primer, foundation and a concealer. Now to begin with, take a good look at your face. You want to be sure as to what are the key features that you'd like to highlight and bring to attention. Sculpting the angles of your face is a task that's easier done when you're sure about the roadmap that you are going to be taking. Now, I sometimes use this hack wherein I use a foundation which is 2 to 3 shades darker than my original skin tone, like the one right here, which is the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte in the shade Cool Cocoa. To easily figure out where exactly you should be contouring, what I usually do is I suck in my cheeks and look myself in the mirror, and then I know exactly where I should go ahead and place my contour. Start by applying the product around your face. For instance, the hairline if you have a wider forehead, then on the hollows of your cheek, and finally right below the jawline. All these lines need to be placed in a way that it creates the shape of the number 3, like this. Now take a damp beauty sponge and start blending these markings in upward blending motion. However, when you blend the powder below the natural jawline, start blending downwards. This will create a shadow on the neck area while giving you a very chiseled looking jawline. Lastly, for those who want a slimmer nose, take a bit of the product on the topmost bit of the angled side of the sponge and run a line on the outsides of the bridge of the nose. Then blend outwards to make the nose appear slimmer. Apply a bit of concealer on the bridge of the nose to make the contour subtler as well. Now that we are done with contouring, the next step is blush. Choose a blush shade that matches your skin tone in a way that makes you look naturally flushed. I have picked out this blush duo, which is the Lakme Absolute Face Stylist Blush Duo in Rose Blush. Take a rounded blush brush, swirl it over the pan and tap off the excess. Now use a stippling motion to stamp it gently on the apples of your cheek. Make sure that you don't apply the blush near the sides of your nose. That is a big no-no. Start at least 2 fingers away. Also, avoid concentration on the apples of your cheeks. Now take an angled damp beauty sponge and dab it over the areas where you have already applied the blush. This will instantly merge the contour with the blush. Now for the last step and possibly my most favorite, which is the highlighter. Using a highlighter will help you highlight some features of your face and create the illusion of them appearing more prominent than they actually are. The highlighter that I'm going to be using today is the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter, and I will be using this light shade on my face. Using a fan brush, dip the highlighter and apply it on the highest part of the cheeks. Don't ever drag your highlighter along the apple of the cheeks. Just blend it on the cheekbone area and then on a little bit of the bridge of your nose. You can also use this highlight on your brow bone, cupid's bone and the inner corners of your eye to make them appear bigger. Like you can see, this highlighter is super pigmented and that's exactly what I love about it. Rest assured, you're gonna look amazing in your selfies. As the last step, and this is optional, I always like to go over with a damp beauty sponge all over the contour area. It's just something I do for a natural looking finish and to blend away any harsh lines. Now bear in mind that both highlighting and contouring won't magically change the shape of your face, but it'll go such a long way in not only adding definition to your face, but helping you highlight your best features. I really hope you guys found this video useful, and if you did, then do give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Make sure you subscribe to the BeBeautiful channel and do hit the bell icon so that you know every single time a new video goes up. Until the next video, bye!